Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports aluminum lower front grille kit for Polaris 2025 plus RZR Pro XP, Pro S, and Pro R. Install time for this item is around 1 hour and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Remove bumper and grille. Begin by removing the front bumper. For this video, we will be removing our DRT V2 front winch bumper that is attached by 4 bolts. If your vehicle is equipped with the factory bumper, there are 2 T40 bolts located on each side of the factory bumper that attach it. Once the bumper is removed, remove the 2 clips that secure the front fascia to the bull bar bumper. With the bumper removed, you can now remove the grille and set that aside. Step 2. Remove the hood. Our vehicle is equipped with the DRT hood scoop, which is secured with 2 bolts. Use a 4mm hex bit to remove them. If your vehicle has a factory hood, remove the 2 T40 bolts holding the hood in place, along with the T40 bolt that secures the center emblem plastic. Step 3. Unbolt front fenders. Begin by removing the 4 clips. Once the clips are removed, take out the 2 T40 bolts. With the clips and bolts removed, carefully pull the fenders upward at the center. Do not pull too hard, as there are clips along the sides of the fenders that must be released. Use an automotive trim removal clip tool to lift and release the sides of the fender. Step 4. Unbolt the front fascia. With the fenders loose, you can access the upper front fascia bolts. There is a T40 bolt located on each side. Use an impact driver to remove the bolts. With the upper bolts removed, you can now remove the 2 lower bolts. There is a T40 bolt located on each side. Step 5. Disconnect lights and remove fascia. Begin by pulling the fascia outward. This will give you more room to disconnect the front headlights and grille fangs. To disconnect the headlight, push on the clip located on the pigtail and then pull to disconnect. You will need a small flat head screwdriver to disconnect the fangs. With the lights disconnected, you can now remove the fascia panel. Step 6. Mark and drill mounting holes. Begin by aligning the front lower grille panel into the fascia. Once it is properly positioned, use a scribe to mark the locations where drilling is required. With the holes marked, use a 9/64 drill bit to drill the mounting holes. With one side marked and drilled, you can now repeat these steps for the other side. Step 7. Bolt and lower grille panels. Using the provided hardware, begin installing the panel. You may find it helpful to use a scribe to align the holes in the lower grille panel with the holes in the fascia. The DRT Motorsports lower front grille kit delivers the aggressive styling, protection, and performance expected from the Gen 2 Pro Series RZR. Built for riders who push their machines hard, this upgrade helps protect the radiator side vent areas from rocks and debris while preserving proper airflow. Constructed from multi-layer, laser-cut 6061T6 aluminum, the grille is precision-formed to flow seamlessly with the RZR's front fascia. The laser-cut mesh panel is secured with aluminum PEM registered trademark inserts for a strong vibration-resistant fit and a clean, refined finish. Black-coated stainless steel hardware provides long-term durability in demanding off-road conditions. Once all hardware is hand-tight, fully fasten the bolts using a 2.5mm hex key and a 7mm box end wrench. With this side complete, repeat the same steps on the opposite side. With both sides installed, you can now begin to reassemble the front end. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.